Hi, welcome to Prêt-à-Template app tutorials. Let's design a corset using several ties. Our inspiration is the brand Assunta, an expert in tops made with ties. Use a corset template from the garment section as a base and split screen with your Photos app. Open a picture of a tie and tap on it to lift it off the background, then drag it onto the Layers section. Use a pinch motion to scale it and place it onto the corset, then tap on the check mark to apply. Repeat this technique with different ties, arranging them into the shape of the corset one by one. Use the order of layers to manipulate the front or the back position of each. Let's place all the ties, making the center on the front and the ones on the side appearing from under. Leave the last two longer, forming the straps. Then choose the eraser and follow the contours of the template to fit all the ties within its shape. Add an extra layer to make a rough sketch of the straps since it's the added element. Merge the ties on one layer and pick Scissors tool to select it. Use the mirror icon in the center and place it onto the back view. Keep using Scissors tool to mirror the sketch of the strap onto the other side and then mirror both to the front view. Follow the sketch of the side view using the same pictures as before and arranging them to match the front view design. Merge these layers and add a new one to make a collage with ties, forming the back of the corset separately and erase around the edges. Here's what it looks like now. There are bits of straps that remain to be added the same way and mirrored with Scissors tool. To draw the visible parts of lining, use a solid tool in a small size and a color that you like. Then select a pen and a dashed line to add stitching on top. Use a watercolor brush with a darker color to add shadows, thus visually separate the front and back. Next step is to add some definition and details to design. Use a pen in the smallest size with a dark color to refine the edges, utilize the straight lines and the curves to speed up your process. The back side of the straps can be designed with denim. For this, color it in blue and select a lighter shade. Open the Patterns library and select this denim family to apply one option on top. Again, use a Scissors tool to mirror to the front view. Color the lining of the back side of the straps visible on each view. Proceed with the denim details in the same way on the side view as well. Adjust the strap's length with the razor and use a pen tool to draw the removable hooks. This element is also great for mirroring. At last, color the area of the zipper. Apply the pattern if necessary on top, and draw with the gray color the metal stripe with dark dashes. Add a few highlights on top, and with the smallest pen, draw a curve around these dashes. Add a new layer to design the slider and the pull tab. Use a dashed line to place the stitching around the zipper. As a finishing touch, you can add a black shadow with a watercolor brush on the sides of the corset for an extra volume. And here's how the final illustration looks like. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was interesting and useful.